and then I'm gonna start cutting the car apart. I have a Dodge Durango here. This one got hit in the side and destroyed this pillar rocker section right in here. So that's gonna get replaced. I have a new section. This is how they sell it. So it looks like I'll be putting it in right in here, up front below the hinge, and right back here. I'm gonna make some rough cuts on this just to trim out the bulk of my section, and then I'm gonna start cutting the car apart. Alright, so I made all my rough cuts and I overlapped the new panel over the existing panel on the car, and now I'm going to mark my cut locations. This one they have right in the middle here, so I'm going to go right about here. Now in here I'm going to go, I could go anywhere in this vicinity. I'm going to go right about here, I believe. It's almost ready to weld. I gotta clean off my backside where I'm doing all my spot welds across the top, and I'll be ready to zap this thing on. So I do a test weld with the spot welder every time before I use it, just to make sure it's welding correctly. And I just use some welding coupons here. Then I take this thing and I peel it apart. It's easier with a vise, but this works. And you can see how it tore a hole through the backside. That means that that is a good weld right there. So now I will write the job RO on this coupon, and we'll take a picture of it and we'll put it in the file with this car. Alright, I got this one ready for primer. I'm going to send the car to paint, and they are going to prime it up for me. And I have the fender I have to knock out real quick as well. I almost forgot about this dent right there. Get that straightened out.